Masi August Kitang Ahum 2026 Ningthaukawa Numit South Hailakandi Ex Servicemen Association SHESA na Handak Upper Assam da thokriba ising ichawna maram oiduna awaba tariba miyam sasan amasung mangtakna kriba pochaisinda ratang oirabasu mateng oinaba haiduna Chief Minister Relief Fund da Adanaba Armed Forces Flag Day Donation Fund Jila Sainik Welfare Office Hailakandi da senham kudol damkhre Association asigi Chief Advisor Retired Colonel BB Sinha na lising kun mga amati SHESA gi members sing na lising kun mga punna senfam lising janghai ki chegama association asigi President S Kishore Singha na mari leinaba official singda kutsin nakhre Thauram masida SHESA gi President S Kishore Singha Vice President Kausini Sharma Secretary S Arun Singha Assistant Secretary TH Manilal Singha amasung Advisor T Bagachau Singha yauki loinana Jila Sainik Welfare Organization Hailakandi Dagishu Head Clerk Sushil Sinha amasung Office Bearer Oidiba Fayaz Uddin Barbia amasung Asutosh Das Saruk yaki